folks, we're on another one. Endless Summer Part 1, Chapter 2. Today we're going to install the oil cooler and plumb it to the body. This ought to be interesting. Come on, let's go. There it is. Get some lights going. 80 degrees in the shop. I got to mark and drill out. I went with 5/16. I'm going to drop it in from the top side. That'll be perfect. So let's get those drilled out, drop those in, get this mounted up. All right, let's get on this. Easy day. Let's get the hammer, a center punch, and a drill bit. Let's see what we can do here. Ouch! I hurt my ears. Ah, a couple more. Also, it's close to my fingers. And a sharp spot. Nice. And another one close to my fingers. Let's see what we got. Nice. Always wear safety glasses. Our 99-cent store readers. They work just as good. Gotta get closer to you guys. Nice and easy. This is probably the easiest one for me right here. Very good. Come on, folks. Ow, ow, ow. Get off me. There we go. Long sleeve job. There. You can see my face here. Wow. Magma. Stand up and shake all the splinters off me. Perfect. Oh, sorry. Get over here, get this one. Think it'll work? Me neither. Alright, let's go dust off. Ow. Still, damn things are still burning me. I hope you can see this. Just gonna try to get it mounted up in here and line up this one screw. That sounds good to me. Let's put a nut in the washer. This all has to come out. Drill the holes. Oh, this one looks good over here. Oh, these are gonna be tough. Holy cats! Don't drop the washer. There we go. I'm not sure. Let's see what I got here. That one's really close. This one looks really close. That one looks really close. This one looks really close. Wow, that's good. Let's see what we got here. Oh, feels pretty good. Little to no room. You can do it. Alright, that's pretty good. Wiggle it just a little bit. There it is. We're just doing this to say we did it. Alright, let's find the washers. 2 washers. 2 washers. You see them? Alright, we do have to drill a hole, put a grommet in here to run the electrical inside. Again, you know how I am. This is well exposed. The lowest part. So we'll have to think of this. Anyways, we got this all mocked up. I need to cut a little bit more out of some of these to get a little bit more of a gap. Like that's perfect gap. Maybe 3/16 of a gap. There you go. There's a mock-up. What I'm thinking on this, I'll check for oil leaks first. Then I'm just gonna leave this. Got it propped up here with a little piece of cardboard. This is gonna be my air scoop. So it's gonna be a dust collector, but I could blow it out. Just a couple tacks, tack, weld, tack, so I could cut it easily if I want to remove it. I got it all tidied up, installed. So next week's video, we'll get this finished up, we'll plumb it and test it out. I hope. I'm waiting on a couple fittings. I'm gonna run the fittings out on this side. The switch is in here. Folks, that ends this week. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll get this plumbed up and welded in for next week's adventure. Peace out. Endless summer continues. Woohoo!